In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on GitHub branch switching in Lovable. By the end, you'll have a quick way to flip between your GitHub branches right inside your project, which is great for reviewing changes and verifying behavior without leaving your workspace. Start on the Lovable home dashboard. From here, open the All Projects view to see everything you have access to. This view is helpful because it lists every project connected to your account, including those linked to the GitHub repository where you manage branches. Find the project you want to configure and open it. Choose the one that corresponds to the repo whose branches you plan to switch between, so the setting applies to the right place. Inside the project, look to the left side of the screen and select the project name in the sidebar. This is a quick way to focus on project level options and navigation. Next, go into Settings. This is where Lovable keeps configuration controls that affect how the project behaves for everyone who uses it. Within Settings, switch to the Labs tab. Labs is the area where Lovable exposes new or advanced capabilities that you can opt into. Features here are typically safe to use, but they may be in active development, so they're grouped together to make them easy to find and manage. In the Labs tab, locate the option labeled GitHub branch switching and enable it. Turn on the toggle to activate the feature for this project. When this is enabled, Lovable lets you change the active GitHub branch for the project's context, so you can move between main, development, or feature branches to preview work, validate fixes, and compare behavior before merging. It does not rewrite your code or change your repository. It simply points the project experience at a different branch so you can see exactly what that branch contains. A few quick notes to make this smooth. If you don't see the GitHub branch switching option in Labs, make sure the project is connected to a GitHub repo and that you have permission to modify project settings. Sometimes refreshing the page after opening settings helps the Labs tab load completely. Also keep in mind that this toggle is project specific. If you work across multiple projects, you'll enable it separately for each one where you want the feature available. That's it. By enabling GitHub branch switching in Labs, you've set up a fast, reliable way to move between branches inside Lovable and review changes with confidence.